Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another chapter, that is financial management. First, what do you mean by the financial management? The major goal of any business is to make profit for its owner by selling goods and services. To reach this goal, finance is required. In this context, it can be said that finance soul of any business. Keeping this view, the proper management of finance is absolutely necessary. In every business, there are three main questions which is arising regarding finance. How much finance will required for different business activities? How much of it will be obtained from the different sources? How will the profit earned from the different business activity distributed? Under the financial management, the first of all need of finance is estimated, and then the different source of obtaining finance and its quantum are determined, and finally arrangement are made for the distributions of profit. Means in other words, we can say that financial management is that area of business management devoted to the judicious use of capital and careful selections of sources of capital in order to enable spending unit to move in the directions of reaching its goal. Now, what is role of financial management? The financial management important role to play in business organization. Decision taken by the financial management have direct bearing on the financial statement. For the determination of various items of the financial statement, the financial management has the following role to play. First, determination of fixed asset. Fixed asset have been important contribution in the profit of business organizations. Under the financial management, the total investment in the fixed assets and every separate fixed asset is determined. This is done through the capital budgeting. Next, determinations of current asset. Current assets are needed in the day-to-day transactions of business. Under the financial management, the total investment in current asset and every separate current asset is determined. Now, next, determination of portions of long-term and short-term finance. All the financial need of business are fulfilled through the long-term and short-term sources. Under the financial management, the proportions of both the financial source is determined. Long-term sources provide capital for business for long time, therefore their use increase liquidity, and that the business has the capacity to make quick payment in respects of daily payment. At the same time, the cost of long-term source is higher than the cost of short-term sources. Therefore, if there is a more liquidity is required in business, more cost of sale have to be borne and vice versa. Next, determination of portions of various sources of long-term finance. Long-term finance sources include primarily equity share capital, preference share capital, and retained earning, debenture, long-term loans. Under the financial management, the portions of the various long-term financial sources is determined. All the sources have their merit and demerit. After making an analysis of their merit and demerit, balanced decisions are taken. Next, determinations of various item of profit and loss account, which various item include the profit loss get influenced or affected by the different financial decision. For example, interest in related to the amount of debt, depreciations related to the amount of long-term asset, discount is related to the positions of liquidity, which means that if the positions of liquidity is good, discount can be earned by making timely payment, etc. From the above discussion, we can say that the objective of financial management are directly related to the fact as to what should be the uppermost in the mind of financial manager while taking three financial decision, namely investment decision, financing decision, and dividend decision. And he should be concurrent on serving the interest of the owner of the business to the maximum extent. In short, we can say that objective of financial management is to maximize the wealth of the shareholder. Thank you.